Hey, what's up, everybody? So today I'm going to teach you how to connect your OBS with your TikTok live stream. So first thing you need to remember is when you're gonna do a TikTok stream, you need at least 1,000 followers. Now, since I do not have 1,000 followers as of today, I won't be able to show you how it fully works, but I'll show you how you can get a stream key generator. If you're not familiar, an OBS system will need a stream key generator for you to actually be able to connect an application with the OBS. So you can go to this application, github.com, and then just type here TikTok stream key. And automatically, there are a lot of available stream keys out there. So for this one, for example, here, we'll download this file. This is the stream key generator right here. So this is what it looks like. So what you're going to do from here on is you're going to input all the data that you need here. So for example, let's go back to that page right there. So for example, here, you'll put the title, the topic, the game, or the region where you're residing in. So let's say here, TikTok stream. And then the topic is, let's say, education. And then a region is Asia. There. And then say, yep, after that, we're just going to go to log in. Then automatically this will bring us to our TikTok account. We will need to log in our TikTok account right here. And then once you log that in, you will automatically be presented with a stream key. Now, once you have that stream key, if you have again 1,000 followers, you will go to OBS, head to settings, and then afterwards go to stream. From Facebook Live, you will custom it up to, let's say, TikTok, and then the stream key right. You'll put the stream key right here and then click apply. And then, of course, you need to make sure that your camera are all set, the media source and the audio sources are all correct before you start your stream to avoid any errors. And that's it. If you like this video and if this video was helpful to you, please do hit the like and of course the subscribe button as we will be making more of these videos only here on Tech Help Guy.